The team administrator has the ability to manage the actions of their teammates. This capability is found under the Custom Rules option, which is accessible from the drop-down menu next to the team's name, or from the Settings option. Once this option is selected, it will appear next to the Team Members tab. By default, there are 4 levels of access: Admin, Creator, Editor, and Viewer. The admin can control these actions by toggling the respective buttons on or off. For more specific needs, a custom role can be created. This is achieved by selecting the Custom Role option, entering the role name, and managing the toggle options by turning them on or off, followed by clicking on Create. Once a role has been created, it can be further customized by toggling these options on or off as needed. If a role is no longer required, it can be deleted by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. After a custom role has been created, it can be assigned to other team members. This is done by navigating to the Team Members tab, clicking on the drop-down menu, and selecting the desired role.